To download Crypto.com on your laptop, start by opening a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Type in the URL bar the official website of Crypto.com, which is Crypto.com. Once you are on the Crypto.com website, click on the Get the App button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the download page where you can select the operating system of your laptop, either Windows or Mac OS. Select the correct operating system for your laptop and click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts to install the Crypto.com app on your laptop. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and select the installation location. After the installation is complete, launch the Crypto.com app and create an account if you do not already have one. You can sign up using your email address or mobile number. Fill out the registration form with your personal details and create a strong password. Verify your account by clicking on the verification link sent to your email or mobile number. This is an important step to secure your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Log into your Crypto.com account using your email address and password. You will then be taken to the dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other features such as buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. To ensure the security of your account, enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can also set up a wallet and start using the Crypto.com app to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always keep your laptop and Crypto.com app up to date with the latest security patches and updates to protect your account and personal data. By following these steps, you can successfully download and install Crypto.com on your laptop and start using it to manage your cryptocurrencies.